Welcome to my virtual open house. Today we are in Little Harbour, Nova Scotia, which is a little over 2 hours from Halifax. Now is your chance to own over 3 acres of ocean view land with a move-in ready home, all for just $259,000.
Welcome to 2450 West Sable Road.
You are in an incredible location just moments from Lewis Head Beach and other white sandy beaches nearby.
Come on inside, let's check it out.
This property is perfect for a rental or a storm watching Airbnb. The kitchen's got a brand new stove and a brand new fridge.
This one is move-in ready and it's all ready to go.
Experience peace of mind in any weather conditions with this reliable wood stove. It also has electric baseboard heaters.
Let's go check out the bedrooms upstairs.
All 3 bedrooms are upstairs. They have added new floors and it has been painted throughout. They've also added new windows. What would you do with this land and this view? Anywhere you venture off to, you're going to run into white sandy beaches close by. Lockport is approximately 15 minutes away, where you can find basic groceries at Lock and Barrel and access to a medical clinic. And Shelburne is about a 30-minute drive from the property. Shelburne has Roseway Hospital and Sobeys grocery store. Thank you so much for coming to my virtual open house. If you have any questions, you can find me on my website at soldbyselena.ca. Thanks for having a look, and we'll speak to you next time.